This is Mindy McIntosh Shutter, and I'm going to talk to you about fluffy fungus on Gerberas. Now, fluffy fungus is caused when you have high humidity, cloudy days, and cool temperatures, and or you have your Gerberas planted too close together. Now, this applies whether you have Gerberas inside or outside. For your Gerbera daisies inside, there's a golden rule to follow. If your Gerberas are in a 4-inch pot, you need 4 inches of open space around each Gerbera plant. If you've planted your Gerberas outside, though, you will need 12 to 15 inches between each plant. Having that spacing will allow nice air circulation and will keep your plants from developing any type of mold due to moisture on their leaves.